Let's do it.
I'm
Ready?
not doing it.
I drank too much. Parsons,
I'm not doing it.
Come on.
Nope. That looks horrible. Like, why would you do that? What is the point?
Fart snip.
Yeah, no.
That was the party sniff, ladies and gentlemen. Kate backed down. I'm crying. Now, cool. Cheers.
To beer?
To beer?
To beer?
What do you like about beer?
I don't know. It's the cool thing to drink.
You heard it here
I'm
first.
just sorry.
Beer is the cool thing to drink, so says Kate.
It's just a cool, like, it just tastes good going down.
Yeah,
Doesn't
when
burn.
it hits the lips.
It's just a party drink, you know?
Yeah, it's just nice to sip on.
Beer has lots of memories, too.
Lots of memories. Beer has memories. What do you not like about beer?
Peeing everywhere.
I hate that. Why
Horrible.
does that happen? I know. I mean, like, I know that they know why it happens. Like, physiologically, they figured it out. It's not a big deal. But
It's just annoying.
why does it happen? Like, I get
To
how it
certain
happens,
people.
but why does it happen? It's so annoying. What
Like,
an
I'll just go and
inconvenience.
come back, drink 5 sips, and have to go back again.
Yep. Before then, you're standing by the bathroom. You're just like
And
sitting by it. That's the worst part about going to Bamboo is because the bathroom's all the way on one side, and it's like, I gotta pee. Where are my friends? I don't know where they are. Hey guys, I'm going to pee. Don't stay here. Like guys, you stay right here. I'm going to pee.
And then they're never
Or
there. You go back and they're gone.
everyone just has to go in a group at that point. Guys, we're all going to pee because we don't want to get separated.
And what
And
if
then
none
we
of them
lose.
have their phones on them? Because it happened to me last weekend.
Did happen.
True story.
We got a ride in the limo.
Already ready for another down here. Beer.
So... Kate is killing it tonight. Oh! Hello.